Some Kenyans are pulling up to 10,000 Kenya shillings with AI. No forex scams, no Ponzi schemes, and of course, not your uncle's fake tender hustle. Real money. But here is a part where nobody tells you. AI doesn't make you rich. It makes you dangerous. And if you don't know how to use it, you're not just broke. You are replaceable. And that's a position you don't want to be in. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how Kenyans are cashing in and what's waiting in the shadows for those who don't. I'm Wangui Muithathi, a personal finance coach, an entrepreneur, and a professional demolisher of financial delusions that you may have acquired. Okay. Around here, we don't do fake motivational quotes. We do survival, strategy, and savage truths about money. If you enjoy content like this, consider supporting the channel via Buy Me Coffee link below. And if you're ready to upgrade your money game, grab my ebook, Building Wealth in 12 Months, also linked below. But remember, nothing good comes for free. Stay with me. Picture this, Nairobi, a random Tuesday. Someone is at Java or at cafe, pretending to type a pitch deck. But secretly, they are using AI to ghostwrite 10 client proposals, design Instagram graphics, and even script TikToks for businesses. And by evening, they've made their clean 10,000 Kenya shillings. Meanwhile, you're out here still forwarding your CVs to companies that keep telling you, we will get back to you. There's a catch here. Most people who try this fail. And when I say fail, they fail miserably. And this is because AI is not the hustle. You are. And that's the first trap. Because most of you out there think AI equals free money. Wrong. AI equals a weapon for you. But as we all know, if it's in the wrong hands, it's like giving a machete to a toddler. Whatever will happen is dangerous and embarrassing. Now, stay with me and I'll show you the hands that are cutting through. Let's start with the shiny side, the formal AI jobs. These are developers, engineers, data scientists, such. These guys are pulling in 1.2 million to 2.4 million Kenya shillings a year. It sounds sweet, right? Yeah, it is, until you realize that these jobs require years of coding, math that actually makes your brain feel like it's bleeding, and sometimes, or most times, relocation. You have to move. So unless you're ready to marry your laptop, my dear, forget this path. That's the elite club. But don't log out yet, because the real battlefield is where everyday Kenyans, people like you and me, are flipping AI into daily cash flow. Okay? This is where the 10K a day stories actually live. You'll find copywriters who use AI to triple their output. Designers who let Canva AI pump out logos. Social media managers running 20 accounts with AI scheduling tools. But let's be honest, yeah? Most freelancers we see out here starve. And this is because it's not about AI. At the end of the day, it's about sales. If you can't close clients, all that AI magic just sits in your laptop like a dead battery. And this is where my chaos-proof monthly system actually comes in. So if you're serious about stacking your freelance income without really losing your mind to things like client drama and the unpredictable dry seasons, you need that system. You can find it in the links below. And trust me, disorganization is more expensive than poverty. Ever seen someone broke with 10 side hustles? Exactly. Now, here is where it gets cinematic. Imagine a border business in a place like Kiambu using WhatsApp bots to take or to make orders. Or a fintech guy in maybe Westlands or Kikuyu using AI to analyze customer data and double conversions. These people aren't just making money, they are scaling. AI doesn't pay them a salary. It just helps make their sales sharper, faster, and scarier. So 10K a day isn't just possible, it's becoming a norm. Okay? It's normal. But guess what? As much as you make all the money, 10K a day, if you don't have systems to manage that income, you'll blow it up faster than Safaricom bundles. And that's why my life proof planner systems exist. Because let's face it, nothing haunts Kenyans more than money made and then lost. Okay? Let's talk shadows. AI digital labor, fancy word for labeling data, moderating trauma content, and feeding global AI models. Some Kenyans are trapped here, working for $2 an hour. You'll find them staring at horrific images just to train machines that will eventually replace them. 10K a day? Forget it. Try 300 bob and a panic attack. That's the underbelly. And if you're desperate enough, it will eat you alive. Don't ever make the mistake of confusing AI with financial freedom. If you're not strategic, you're just another cog. That's the dark side. So let's really talk about how to really hit 10K a day. How the real winners are actually doing it. They hybridize. This is where they take a normal skill. For example, writing, marketing, designing, or even sales, and fuse it in with AI. They target high demand Kenyan sectors like agriculture, healthcare, tech, fintech. You'll find them leveraging WhatsApp. I know I've made a video about taking advantage of your WhatsApp status with its 98% open rate, using it like it's oxygen. My dear, 10K a day isn't luck. It's layered skills, systems, and ruthless strategies. It doesn't just happen like that. Okay? And if you want to stop fantasizing and start stacking, you'll need tools that actually build you, not break you. Start with the instant hustle manual. Because if you can't make money today, you'll not survive tomorrow. Grab that and pair it with the Muithathi method, pay it off or stay broke. Because nothing kills AI money faster than hidden debt. Both are linked below. Don't call them digital products. Call them survival kits. Some Kenyans are making 10,000 Kenya shillings a day with AI. Others are being replaced by it. Which side are you on? Because in this economy, the scariest thing isn't being broke. It's actually being obsolete. I'm Miss Muithathi, and I'll see you in my next video.